Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to get my Aadhaar card updated. I'm going there after a few minutes, and uh, you might wonder why I'm posting an update about getting an Aadhaar card update, because it's such a mundane show. Um, but what I want to say is that when you stay in a place that feels relaxing to you, then even mundane chores chores, mundane chores also feel somewhat of an exploration. So, in any case, I want to get it updated because I've changed my address, and also because I want to get my passport made. Um, so what I want to tell you today is that the other day I went to Puttukoppam beach, and while I was returning, so usually I go by autos, and the autos, they charge very high fare. Uh, I mean, always 50 to 100 rupees extra, which is, I would say, high. Um, so while returning, in any case, autos are not available. So yesterday, day before yesterday, while I was returning, I just thought that okay, let me just start walking. It's actually quite far, and it's sunny, and it's not a pleasant walk. But I just thought that okay, let me skip the auto, because I had to. I would have, in any case, I would have to call somebody. So while I was walking, I just I might have finished like 1/30th of the 1/30th or 1/40th of the distance I had to cover. So I was walking, and there was one guard sitting in front of the house, of one of the houses, and he saw me walking, and he said, "Madam, you just wait here for 5 to 10 minutes. A bus will come, and go by bus. It's very hot." So, I was in full stream of walking, uh, and I didn't want to waste time, because if it gets dark, then I am in a unknown territory. The language is unknown, the place is unknown. So I wanted to get a bit early there, but just the way he said, I said okay, I'll wait. So 5 minutes went by, no bus. Buses were coming, but one was a school bus. The other bus was, I don't know, it was full, and it was going in the opposite direction. And I just started to look at the guard's face with some amount of, you know, disbelief. Disbelief. So, but still, the way he said earnestly, his earnestness definitely had a hold over me, and I sat down. And the moment he sat down, he said, "Get up, it's coming." And indeed, the bus came, and this small act of kindness was it really had an effect on me, and I went by bus, and the journey became really enjoyable. So what I want to tell you is that everybody, not only our parents, our partners enable us, it's also the city where you live, because the way you drive, everybody has their own methods of ways of getting by in the city. For me, I'm not such a calling an Ola, and it seems like a passenger mode of living. Going by bus was really an enchanting way, and I just hope to explore more bus routes. Um, so yeah, just go out and explore today. Let's see what happens. I'm going to get my Aadhaar card updated, and from there maybe I'll go to Selvi Cafe. I don't know where I'll go. Um, so yes, that's it. Lavudhan friends, subscribe Ponanga. I am using YouTube. I want YouTube to give me a voice, to give me a platform. I'm starting over in my life at the age of 46, almost 47 in this August. So I would request my viewers to give me a voice, to explore places, to explore myself. Thank you.